Hi everyone, my name is Ayush Pratap and this is the 16th day of my Learn English journey. Today I read while I read a book I have learned two or three most important points in this book. This book's name is You Can Win, a beautiful book and written by Ashif Khera. So I read in this book I read step to building a positive attitude, how to build a positive attitude, and these things are in this book. And this is the most prettiest things I have learned in the 4 steps I can tell you. First step is change focus. Looks for the positive. This means if you are looking positive and not going for the negative things, thinking in our way in the positive ways, you can change your way of thinking process, then you can definitely achieve our goals. And the second step is make a habit of doing it now. I can tell every video for that you don't procrastinate the things, don't procrastinate our work to tomorrow. It is the it is that they hindering or sticking our talent. And the third things, I developed an aptitude for of a gratitude, means we can blessing to God in the small things. We can gratitude for all the things we have achieved in our life. They give the thankful for the universe. And all get into the continuous education program, means we can learn every time new. We not stuck in at a single place. That is read in our book. It is a beautiful book, and if we define all those steps for that, first thing is first change your focus and look for the positive. It means we not go for the negative people, because negative people always be criticized in your work. Even they find a better environment, then they will criticize, and they think only the negative things in your life, in our life. So make sure uh, we protect ourselves in the front of that, and no more spend time with the negative people. Even 1 hour not spending. Some people always look for the negative, and that is the first step. And the second step is, we can say, the make a habit of doing it now. So we have procrastinate at the sometimes in our lives. So it's I can tell this thing. Any work they have in think your mind, we do tomorrow. No, tomorrow will never come. If you think that today is the day and you can possibly you do it. And some people, if we work go on the procrastination, then you think it might have been, and it could have, I wish I had, if only I had given the little extra effort. So it never comes again. Once time can go, never come in the future. Once the opportunity has gone, never comes the same. Even the opportunity come better or worse, but the same opportunity never comes. These things today we learn in the book You Can Be by written by Shiv Khera. If you give any feedback for my communication and give suggestions, then you can tell the things. I can recognize that and do it better. Thank you. Have a nice day.